Hello everyone, welcome to Something of Everything. In this video we will see a trick to divide long divisions easily. Let us see it. Suppose you want to divide 4, 8, 4, 2, 4 with 19. So instead of dividing it with 19, we will be dividing it with 20. Now what is 20? It is the nearest 10th number of 19. And what is the difference between 19 and 20? That is plus 1. This will be a multiplier. It will be called a multiplier. So what will we do? Let's just remove this 0 also. We will divide this number by 2 and multiply the quotients with 1 and adding it to the next numbers. Let us see how we do it. What will be the first quotient? It will be 4 by 2, that is 2. This is called quotient. This is called divisor. This is called dividend. Okay. So let us see one by one. Okay, first number is okay. Now the second number, that is 8. You have to add multiplication quotient with multiplier. That is 2 into 1. That means 10. Divide by 2. The quotient shall be 5. Now the next number, it is 4 plus 5 into 1. 5 into 1 comes out to be 9. Divided by 2. It gives us 4 with a remainder of 1. It's called remainder. That remains at the last. So you have to write 4 here and take the remainder here. Now all you will have to do is you have to put the last number intact. Now what is this number? This is 1 and 2. Remember, the remainder shall be added at the left side. Okay, and it will be adding plus 4 into 1, that is 4. That is 16. Divided by 2 means 8. So the answer is 2548. What will be the remainder? It will be 4. This is 4 plus 8 into 1, that is 8. That means 8 plus 4 is 12. That will be the remainder. The remainder shall be 12. The answer is 2548 with a remainder of 12. Now if you want to find it in the point decimal, the last digit will be 12 by 19. That comes around 0.63, I guess. So the answer shall be 2548.63. This way you can do the multiplication. Let us see with another example. Suppose you would want to divide the same number 48424 with 11. So what will be the nearest 10th digit number? It will be 10 only. And how 10 comes? Minus 1 from 11. This will be the multiplier. Okay. And you have to remove this 0 also. The first digit divided by 1, the quotient shall be 4. Okay. The second digit is 8. You have to add the multiplication of 4 and minus 1. That is 4 into minus 1 means 8 minus 4 means 4. Divided by 1, that will be give you the quotient of 4. Now the next number, that is 4 plus 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. That gives you 0. Divided by 1, and the quotient will be 0. Then the next number, that is 2 plus 0 into minus 1, that is 0. That gives you 2. Divided by 1 will give you 2. And the last number is the remainder one. What will be the remainder? That will be 4 minus 2. How this minus 2 came? 2 into minus 1. That means quotient will be 2. So the answer is 4402 with a remainder of 2. Now this 2 by 11 will be the decimal point. That comes out to be around, I guess, 18. So the answer shall be 4402.18. Check that out with calculator. Thank you for watching this video. do like, share and subscribe the same. Thank you.